Hey there, let's talk about cars cause we love them. The topic of our video today are the most seductive, desirable and alluring cars. McLarens. Before we move any forward, please let me tell you about the Tauros wallets. Yes, this video is sponsored by Tauros wallets. Tauros wallets are made in Germany, so the quality is just like BMWs and Mercedes. They are metallic, they are very finely crafted and you must check out. The link is in the description. Moving on to the list of cars we are going to discuss today. Before we move any forward into the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps me out a lot, and please share the video to as much as people you can. If you have a YouTube channel, give me shout out on that channel. I will give you a shout out too. We will be giving a swift start to the video with the McLaren 12C. After that, we will be talking about the 570S. After that, we will talk about the 625. And after that, we will talk about 720C. We will talk about the 720S. Because C is a coupe, and coupes are not proper supercars. Because a big part of their body is taken out of them, which makes them often unstable, and their top speeds are also less as compared to the same Spider or hardtop versions of the models. After that, we will talk about the P1 GTR, which was the most powerful car produced by McLaren until they produced the McLaren Senna. The Senna was an ultimate record breaker. After the Senna, we will talk about the Speedtail. Speedtail is the ultimate beauty made by McLaren. It is the most beautiful car produced ever, according to me. After the Speedtail, we will be talking about Elva. Elva is an antique car. Elva has no roof, like it has no roof at all, but still an air conditioning system works in it. So let's give video a start with the 12C. So starting off with the McLaren 12C, we may call it entry-level assassin, a mid-mounted 533 brake horsepower 3.8 liter twin turbo V8, which drives the rear wheels of the 12C. This is McLaren's entry-level model. Despite its lower price, the 12C inherits performance-aiding technologies from its pricier siblings. The base price is $184,900. The peak power produced by the V8 is 533 brake horsepower at 7500 RPM. The car can reach to 60 miles per hour in only 3.4 seconds and 124 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds. If the conditions are very good, the car can reach up to 199 miles per hour. Moving on from the 12C, we have the 570S. The 570S is a car which is made for drivers. Yes, it is a driver's car. True sports car experience. Driver-centric with epic performance. More performance than you could ever need on road. It is lightweight and has all the direct dynamics and direct steering. This is a car which will make your track days better than ever. The engine is same as the 12C. It is a 3.8 liter V8, but it produces more power here. 562 brake horsepower and the torque is 443 Newton meters. The car can reach up to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and 125 miles per hour in 9.5 seconds. The top speed in this case is 204 miles per hour, while in 12C it is only 199 miles per hour. After the 570, we have the 625. And if we want to describe a car in one word or one sentence, we will describe the 625 as an extreme with heightened sensations. A twin turbocharged 3.8 liter V8, same as the 12C, but the game is changed here. We have 592 horsepower and 557 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.8 seconds. No shortfall in performance versus the 600 LT Coupe, an epic car, but due to being coupe, it is a bit unstable. This is a hardtop, and hardtops are always faster than their counterparts, we know. The price of this car starts from $256,500 US. 0 to 60 in only 2.9 seconds and 0 to 124 mile per hour in 8.4 seconds. Top speed 201 mile per hour and 196 mile per hour in the coupe version with the top down. After the 625, we have the McLaren 720S, and described in one sentence, it is the best supercar on sale. The McLaren 720S is a sensational supercar, easily the best of the current breed. It has a twin turbocharged 4-liter V8 that produces 710 horsepower. 710 horsepower is a big deal, dude. And 568 pound-feet of torque. It looks gorgeous. It is utterly gorgeous. Best supercar on sale today, bar to none. The base price of this car is $300,000 US, but it is worth it. The engine is 4-liter twin turbocharged V8. The power produced by this V8 is 710 brake horsepower at 7500 RPMs. 0 to 60 in only 2.9 seconds and 0 to 124 mile per hour in 7.8 seconds. That's a mind-boggling time. Top speed of 212 mile per hour. After we move from the 720, the company starts to take focus on company executives. So P1 GTR is a true luxury GT, McLaren's latest model, and it is McLaren's answer for executives. If you're looking for a high performance luxury car, the team has focused on creating space and comfort, making cross-country trips and daily driving more enjoyable. But once you hit the track with this demon, you are gonna have a lot of fun, because it produces 612 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in only 3.1 seconds, and it is miles per hour, which means almost 101 km per hour. 0 to 124 mile per hour in only 9 seconds and a top speed of 203 miles per hour. The car is a true luxury GT, but it is a demon on track, a true demon. It has a demonic cat face. It looks aesthetic. After we move from this car, we have the McLaren Senna. The McLaren Senna is the opposite of P1 GTR. P1 GTR is executive focused, city focused, but the Senna is a lap record destroyer, named after Formula 1 driver Ayrton Senna. The McLaren Senna is a track-focused hypercar. Its aggressive appearance tells you immediately that this thing is designed to destroy lap times. It is a beast. Its base price is $960,000 US. It has a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 which produces 789 brake horsepower. 0 to 60 2.8 seconds, 0 to 124 6.8 seconds. In only 6.8 seconds you will be at 124 miles per hour, a top speed of 211 miles per hour. It is such a raw, brutal and aggressive supercar. It is very aggressive supercar. After the McLaren Senna, we move to the McLaren Speedtail, the successor to McLaren F1, including iconic 3-seat layout. The Speedtail is a limited production hypercar. Only 106 will be built. McLaren calls it their first ever hyper GT. The top speed is above 250 miles per hour. The base price of the Speedtail is $2.2 million, and I don't think that any car prettier than this one has been ever produced, except Mercedes G-Wagon. Engine is not yet disclosed. They haven't told us that how much capacity does the engine have. They just told that it has a hybrid powertrain. The power is almost 1035 brake horsepower, and the torque is yet to be determined. It can reach up to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and 186 miles per hour in 12.8 seconds. In the end of the video, we have the most significant car, the McLaren Elva. It is the ultimate roofless speedster. By roofless, I mean it's completely roofless. It has no roof. It don't even have some docks so that you can plug in a rooflet. It is a familiar vehicle. It is a McLaren, but it is wildly unique. It has an air conditioning system which works without any roof. The car also gets a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, same as the Senna, makes 804 brake horsepower. The price is $1.8 million, and 0 to 60 is under 3 seconds, 0 to 124 is 6.8 seconds, and top speed is yet to be determined. It is a very unique car, and it is a step towards future, where we can have roofless cars which won't blow our wigs away. You know, some people have wigs. So after the Elva, the video comes to an end. I would specially thank Tauros for sponsoring this video, and if you want to sponsor this video, or if you want to sponsor any video on my channel, you can contact me on Instagram at Let's Talk About Cars. I will put the link in description. I will put the link in description for the Tauros wallets too. And I will specially thank Mixkit. Mixkit is a very good website if you are a new video editor. They have a lot of material. They have mind-boggling material, and it's free. It's completely free. All the material there is free. They have amazing templates. All the call out templates you saw in the video are from Mixkit, so please check out Mixkit too. And that's all for today from my side. Zirak out.